Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. So we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is a two ways, by Google Lens and by the web browser. I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the Google Photos. Now tap on the library, or just pick the photo from here, like this one, and tap on the Google Lens, and whole process starting automatically. That was our first method. Now it's time for the second one. We have to open the web browser. Then go to the google.com. Well, maybe we have it closed the incognito mode. Okay, google.com. And now it's a very important step and it's necessary. Remember to switch your web browser to the desktop mode. And now click the camera icon and choose upload the file. Allow permission, pick the photo like before, and click done. And now we are looking for the similar or exactly same image in the Google database. This is how it looks, this is how it works, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.